My name is Trang. I started my academic journey with a bachelor degree in biotechnology in Vietnam, and then I came to Europe with the Erasmus Mundus fellowship to study my master degree in plant breeding and genetics. And now I'm doing my PhD project at ETH Zurich at the lab of Dr. Diana Santelier. So my talk was to share about my PhD project, and at ETH I was offered a very exciting research topic in terms of crops facing the challenge of climate change. So we know that usually with the agriculture, our activity is one of the biggest consumers of water, and crop production is a significant part of it. And therefore, so nowadays towards a sustainable agriculture facing climate change, we really want to improve the water use efficiency of plants, or in other words, like how the plants should use less water while still maintaining a good productivity. And when we talk about water use efficiency, we talk about stomata, because they are the micropores on the leaf surface that control the exchange of carbon dioxide and water vapor loss of the plants. So they are very important for the water use efficiency of plants. So at our group, I together with the team of Dr. Diana Santelier's lab, we focus on studying the stomata mechanism that controlling the opening and closing of stomata. And of course, it's based on the pair of gut cells. So we studied the starch metabolism in gut cells, which is essential for the stomata opening and closing. And we hope that we will provide valuable information on stomata engineering towards the better water use efficiency in crops.